Top 3 deadliest guns that took the most lives in World War II. Number 1, the STG-44. This gun was so ahead of its time that soldiers thought it was ripped straight from the future. Firing with deadly precision, it tore through the battlefield so efficiently that it later inspired the creation of the M16. Next are gun replicas modeled after World War II's deadliest weapons, like this AK-47. But Tyrone took one to school and got arrested after being mistaken for a real firearm, which got it banned since they're full metal, shell ejaculating replicas, and the only way to get them is online.